All right, y'all, it's another box. It's called Noobie Box. So we're excited to see what's in this little gem. Open here. Oh, that's so cute.
Can I read it?
Read it loud.
Dear Noobie Mom, congratulations on your pregnancy. Sit back and enjoy this moment for you and the beautiful baby in your belly. Unwrap your Noobie box filled with exciting essentials and helpful tips to support you on your motherhood journey. Love, Noobie Box.
Oh, that is so cute. Let's see what's in this thing here. Oh, it's a little pouch. It says Noobie Box on it. It's like canvas pouch. Noobie guide. Has different information and different little stuff in there. Some coupons I saw.
I think these are pills.
Prenatal vitamins.
Oh.
Morning Pep. It's something I've never heard of that brand, but we could try it.
And this is cocoa butter formula.
Palmer's Stretch Mark Lotion.
Water wipes.
This is Milk Flow Lactation Supplement Drink Mix. Chocolate.
A binky.
Let's see. Prevail Daily Pads for bladder leaks.
And
definitely helpful when that baby gets very large.
And some butt cream.
Aquaphor Baby for diaper rashes. What's this? Coyotes Complete Care. Some diapers, size 1. I've never heard of these. So, interesting. Some more nursing pads and breast milk storage bags, of course. We love those. And what is this? Noobie Nest, Noobie Play, Noobie Eat, Noobie One. I guess different boxes you can get. Awesome. So that was some awesome little stuff we get to try. See if we want to get some more of that. Let's see this binky. It's so great. Thanks y'all for watching. If you like and subscribe, and have a great day.